In this video, I will show you how to add a Pinterest feed to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. From here, once we are signed up to Elfsight, we want to find the Pinterest feed widget. So the way that we do this is by clicking on search widgets in this top corner, and we can search for Pinterest. Right here, we can see we have the Pinterest feed widget. So we can go ahead and open this up, and it's now going to ask us to choose a template. So we have a few different templates in here for a Pinterest profile, for Pinterest boards, a wide widget just like this, a pins gallery, portfolio boards, or any of these other options. So we just go ahead and choose one of these and then click continue with this template. In here, we can then select what content we want to add. So we can choose between profile, boards, and pins. And then all we need to do is enter in the profile name for the profile we would like to add. And then we can go ahead and link up the different boards that we would like to add to this Pinterest feed. With these boards, people will be able to click in and they will be able to see the different boards in here. Once we have added in the content, we can go down to the layout and we can choose the width and height, so how big this is on the website. We can then choose if we want to show a header or not and what elements are included in this header. We can then go down to the board settings and choose if any of these have a name. So if we look at these different boards, we can see different elements moving. And then the same for the pins. If we go over to pins, we can go ahead and we can customize the pins in this area. We can then go down to the style and we can choose like the theme color. So if I set this to blue as an example, you can see some things are going to change. And once we have this set up, all we then need to do is click on publish. And Elfsight is now going to take us over to this page where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that you go for is going to depend on how many monthly website views your website gets, or alternatively, we have this free plan for if you are new to Elfsight or if you just want to test Elfsight out. Keep in mind though that this free plan is pretty limited, as you can see 200 monthly views maximum, and we also get Elfsight branding with this. So if you actually want to put this live and on your website, I recommend going for one of these paid plans. Once your plan has been selected, Elfsight is then going to give us a piece of code, and this code is how we are able to put the Pinterest feed onto our WordPress website. So all we need to do is click on copy code, and then we can go over to WordPress right here. All we then need to do is find whereabouts on the website we would like to add this, and we then click on this plus icon and we search for HTML. We can then go ahead and drag in this HTML element and paste in the code that we just copied, and this is now added. So this code that we can see right here, this is only visible on the back end, so your viewers will never be able to see this because on the actual website, this is going to be replaced with the Pinterest feed. So to show you this, we can go ahead and preview the website. And now if we scroll down to where we added this, as you can see, the Pinterest feed has now been added to our WordPress website.